You did this problem, I think last week. Did it on the board. Okay, the thing is on the test, I want to see the matrices that you create. And I want to see you actually using the dot product with the matrices. Now you can use your calculator for the dot product, that's fine. But I got to see how you set it up. So, we have 3 pizza shops. And they have their pizzas and their salads. So what would make the most sense to me is to go ahead and put these in order: 11, 12, and 11.75. Okay, that is New England Pizza, Romeo's, and Supreme. Okay. Now, what's the cost for a New England salad? $3.50. So I'm going to put that under the New England column. What about for the Romeo salad? And for the Supreme salad? Okay, so I just built a matrix right there. Okay. Now, we want to figure out how much it would cost, and I'm just going to do, let's do 3 here. So I'm actually going to do, there's 2 questions. They have this question up here and this question down here. So I want to see the total cost for each place for 2 pizzas and a dozen salads. This is where it kind of gets flexible. Like if I were just to put, oh, I want 2 pizzas and a dozen salads, I would just write a little matrix like that. The problem is I want to multiply them together, because when I multiply those together, it just kind of distributes like we would do if we were to solve this problem without matrices. Like we're going to take the 2 times the 11, 2 times the 12, and so on. But is it possible for me to take this is a 2 by 1 matrix, and multiply it by a 2 by 3 matrix? No. Okay? Because I have to have, so what would you say, Amanda? Turn this into a 1 by 2 instead. I like it. So let's just go.
Why does it have to be a 1 by 2?
Because when you do the dot product, your 2 numbers have to be the same. So, and I'll show you what I mean. So Amanda said, just make it a 1 by 2, like so. So now you have a 1 by 2 matrix dotted with a 2 by 3 matrix. All right? And we can do that because we have the columns of the first matrix has to match the rows of the second. Otherwise, you'll see what's going to happen if you did it wrong. You're going to end up, because when you dot product, what do? You do this row by that column, right? If they didn't match, you'd have you'd start dot product and then you'd run out of numbers to multiply. So what we're going to do here, and your calculator can do this, and I showed you how to do that before, but we're going to do this row, the dot product is this row by that column. That'll give us our total for New England, right? Because we're going to go 2 times 11. Bless you. That would give us a total cost of pizzas at New England plus 12 times 350. That'll give you the total salad. Oh, is it pizza? Salad. Yeah, total salad costs for New England. Okay, so that's New England's total cost right there. Whatever the answer is, when you dot them together, would be for New England.
So
sorry, go ahead.
The result of this would be a 1 by 3?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So this right here, so just like Clarice said, the result of this is going to be a 1 by 3. Basically, I'm going to have 3 numbers like that. This is going to be your first number. Carl.
Since it's a 1 by 2 and a 2 by 3, the 2 outer numbers, is that what it's always the result's going to be?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Kaylee.
So I did it not in that order. I did the first one as 11, 3.5, 12, 3.25, like that.
So the first one is a 3 by 2, right?
Does it still, will I still get the same answer?
Yes, you should. So if you did, so what Kaylee's saying here is that she made this a 3 by 2. So she just kind of changed them and put them downward, like 11, 350, 12, 1175, and so on, right? Then you multiply it by a 2 by 1. So then put your 2 by 1 over here of 2 above a 12, and then it would still be the same answer, yeah. Your answer would be a 3 by 1. It'd be the same thing as this, but just vertical. Yes?
So, if you were to like finish out the thing you already have, it'd be 22 plus whatever 12 times 350 would be,
Yes.
and then
Give me a calculator.
just add them together.
Yes. So did anybody do that? Get the answer? Morgan, what'd you get?
Is it like final one?
Yes.
64, 63, and 68.5.
And 60.5?
68.5.
Okay, so yeah, you're going to do this for each row times column here. And you'll get those 3 entries, and that's your answer.